get information that comes with it. So you're really aware of the goodness of what's in these products. And in this day and age, you have to really check out the ingredients of whatever you're buying. So I highly recommend that you try Sweet Nature by Eddie hair care products so you can have your own testimonial about it. Believe you me, there are many people talking about this product right now, and it is gaining a lot of attention. Join with me as we share this product across the United States and help people not only improve their styling look, their health in terms of scalp, and also their income. So I look forward to networking with you and sharing stories with you about Sweet Nature with Eddie.